Hi all, welcome back to the channel. If you have heard about ChatGPT and wondering what it is, or if you have already heard about ChatGPT but want to know how to use it effectively, then you are at right place. So today we are going to discuss all about ChatGPT, how to use it, what are some of the ways to improve its efficiency, and what's the best way to use it. So I'll go through some of the basics of ChatGPT and also discuss some of the latest features which make it really powerful. So don't go anywhere and stay all the way till the end. So what is ChatGPT? So ChatGPT is a conversational platform which helps you in answering your questions. It is developed by OpenAI, who develops large language model, and you can use those models in code and different applications. But they provided ChatGPT as a front-end interface where you can type in certain questions and get answers through these large language models. And that's what makes it really powerful. So ChatGPT can help you with multiple things, from writing answers, providing a code. You can write emails, marketing copy, and a lot of things. You can think of it as your AI personal assistant. You can ask it anything, you can assign it any task, and get it done. See how to use ChatGPT. Just go to chatgpt.com. Yes, they have a new URL. When it started, it had a different one. Um, and then you can sign in using your Google ID. I've already signed in. And then you'll see this kind of a user interface where you can send a message to ChatGPT, you can attach certain file, ask it to search web, you can create images and a lot of things it can ask. You can ask ChatGPT to do. You can ask any question. So, for example, if you're watching this video, you are interested in AI, so you can ask, like, explain, and then it'll provide you an answer. It's kind of a summarized view of any question. Now imagine that, like, you are a YouTuber and you want AI to create a YouTube script. So you can say, like, create a YouTube script on topic. Say generative AI you want to write, okay? Now here you go. You got a YouTube script, what you should say in camera, and just copy paste it to wherever you write your YouTube script, and it provides you a detailed answer. Now imagine you want to build an app. What do? You want to build an app, which helps you in scheduling meetings. So just write it, like, can you build an app which can help me in scheduling meetings? So if you see here, right, so it has provided you details step by step, right? So what are the key features you'll need? Authentication, need, calendar integration, invite management, and what kind of tech stack do you use? And that's something which I always struggled earlier. Hey, what should I use? There are hundreds of technologies. It is exactly telling you what's the front end, back end. And if you want, you can change this also based on your current infrastructure, and it provides you a detailed plan, next steps. And now what you can do is you can go inside each and every step and ask it that, hey, can you please create a front end code, in React JS for this app, and it will provide you a code. Now, one secret of getting most use of ChatGPT is by providing it the right prompts. So for example, if you want ChatGPT to provide you some marketing strategy, then just don't tell it that, hey, provide me marketing strategy. Tell it that, okay, act as a 20-year experienced marketing expert and provide me a marketing strategy for whatever is your business. Another way is that, like, ask ChatGPT to ask you questions which will help it in providing right answers. Otherwise, what happens? It may provide you a generic, solutions, For example, again, if you want ChatGPT to create a strategy, ask ChatGPT, hey, ask me questions which will help you in providing right marketing strategy for, say, growing YouTube channel. So let's do that. Now it is asking you specific question: who is your ideal viewer? What are your audience pain points? And what is your current performance? What So each and every aspect, right? It is asking you question, and I have tried this myself. I've provided answers, and then it provides you exact strategy which is suitable for my business. Now, it's not only text which you can generate, you can also generate images using ChatGPT. So, for example, here I've given prompt create a marketing image for selling life insurance. And then if you see here, it has providing like, a marketing image, and definitely you can change it. You can provide its prompt, and then it'll provide you something which will suit your business need. What else you can do is you can attach here images or documents and ask ChatGPT to analyze it. So for example, I am uploaded one of the thumbnail which I recently created, and I told ChatGPT analyze this image. You can also generate a financial document or something and ask it to summarize it. This is a recently one of the thumbnail I generated, and it is telling me exactly what are some of these trends, where are some of the areas of improvements, what I can do, what I can do to make better. It has both paid and free version, but like I think for most of us, like 90% of the population, free version works just perfect. But even if you have certain application, you can definitely go for pro version. It is one of the most advanced LLM in market right now. It has some of the competitors which have come in, like Claude AI, Perplexity, and others. And everyone has its own advantages and disadvantages. So make sure some of the other videos on this channel to learn about all these AI tools and decide yourself which one is best for you. Hope you found this video helpful. If there are anything else you want me to discuss, then let me know. Otherwise, we'll connect next time. Thank you.